So today we're going to do a classic reaction, okay, baking soda and vinegar.
We're gonna need...
We're using stuff that you generally probably have at your house, and we're going to do a little twist on it. All right, we're going to use some quarantine tools too. We're going to use a rubber glove and some other stuff here.
Tablespoon.
You need a tablespoon, cup measurement,
and
baking soda,
vinegar.
and vinegar. Now, Andrew, you've been studying this right now in class. So, what is baking soda? What kind of material is it?
A base.
It's a base. Okay, and vinegar is
Acid.
an acid. So, do we know any other acids?
Acid.
Acid.
Yes.
Stomach acid. What else? What is an acid?
It's hydrogen.
It's got hydrogen in it.
Yeah.
Look at you. Good job.
Positive hydrogen ion.
When you put it in when it dissolves in water, it's a material that can give you positive hydrogen ions. But we drink acid all the time. You drank some acid this morning.
Orange juice?
Orange juice.
Oh
Orange
yeah,
juice,
it's in
apple
lemons,
juice,
orange,
any kind of citrus. Sure.
citruses,
All right. And then what are bases? Bases are
toothpaste, soap.
any kind of soaps, usually
Yeah.
laundry detergent. Most cleaners are bases. Okay. So when we mix them together, so acid has a low pH, bases have a high pH. When you mix them together, what kind of reaction is that called?
Yeah, you neutralize them and you get water and a salt.
Okay, so you have hydrogen in your acid, hydroxide in your base, H and OH. You mix H and OH together, you get water, H2O, and that's neutral, and you get a salt. Okay. The cool part about baking soda and vinegar is you have that neutralization reaction, and then you have a decomposition reaction. And that's where you get all the bubbles. So a lot of times people will do this. If you put dish soap in it, that'll make it like your volcano. But we're going to use it to blow up a balloon.
Like I made a volcano?
Yes, we're going to do it kind of like that. Okay. We're going to use a balloon and this cool little guy. It's a funny little glass. Do you know what this is called?
Beaker.
No, it's a special kind. It's not a beaker.
Material.
This is a funny word. It's an Erlenmeyer flask.
An Erlenmeyer.
Erlenmeyer flask. The boys are going to use a balloon in the Erlenmeyer flask, and because you probably don't have an Erlenmeyer flask at home, we're going to use a cup. Okay. And where'd the rubber glove go? Oh, it's got it. Okay. So what we're going to do is we took a plastic bottle. We cut it in half to make a funnel so we can actually put the stuff in. So the boys are going to start off by putting your baking soda. Okay. So you're going to scoop it out
Over the balloon.
we're going to put it into the balloon, and you guys are going to start off by measuring the vinegar. Okay. So we need 1 cup. I'm going to pour it in because it's heavy, and you guys are going to pour it into the cup. Okay. So we're going to try and get as much as we can in here of baking soda. Want to use about 1 cup to about 6 tablespoons if you can. All right, depending how big your balloon is.
All right.
Okay.
So pour
So
the
ready?
vinegar.
So yeah, I'm going to pour the vinegar. Yeah. So you want to put as many of those as you fit in.
And then half a cup.
This is 1 cup.
This is 1 cup. Pour vinegar into it. Exactly 1 cup. Make sure you don't overflow it, because then you'll make a mess. And then you're going to pour it right into your cup.
This is making a mess.
Nothing. Can I pour it?
Pour it in there, yeah.
Pour it.
No, Augie, no eggs are going to break this time?
Dun,
Do you want some
dun,
milk?
dun. And then just pour it in. Yeah, we got a little bit out. We got a lot of.
I did not notice
So,
that one.
we got some vinegar on the table. We
That's
thought
okay.
nothing was going to.
Oh!
Does that smell good?
No, it does. Oh my. Oh, it smells like that. It smells like salad.
This same smell was the smell when I was doing my volcano in my class last year.
Like you smelled the almost like what you put the vinegar.
Okay,
that
not
you
sure how
put
much
in
we
French
spilled, so we're
fries.
going to throw a little extra. A little extra vinegar is not going to hurt you. All right. If you put more vinegar, the reaction is going to happen just a little bit faster.
Baking soda, like, does it feel like salt?
No, this is
It's so
flour.
little daddy.
Oh,
Okay,
then you
that's why I
can
got
make
the
a
paper
stress
towel.
ball out of it.
How are we doing, Andrew? Did we get 6 in there?
Yeah, I fit 6 in.
You did, okay.
It smells so
Okay,
weird.
do me a favor. Rinse that out, buddy.
Oh goodness.
Augie, hold this up. Don't let any of the baking soda slip out.
I'll give
All right,
it
girls.
does.
So we need to get 6 tablespoons
Oh,
into
can I
here.
do it?
Well, you do 3 and you do 3.
Alright.
So you hold it open, Ella.
Okay.
You pour it in there, 6 tablespoons.
Should I do
Did you rinse it out?
Yes,
Okay.
I'll rinse it out.
So we need to get, let's put the funnel here.
6 of those.
Okay, so we can pour
Oh, you
this
don't-
in.
You're holding that?
Watch your hands.
I'm so bad at measuring.
Just put a little more.
Yeah, we'll put a little bit more in. A little sloppy.
And you got another paper.
Daddy,
Or-
Daddy, can I learn to stop holding this, please?
just a little.
Don't let it spill. Alright, time for the last.
Oh, that's way too. That's way more than I think. That'd be bad. Alright.
Daddy, using my
Guys,
turn.
almost done?
That's 2?
Yeah.
All right, let's go, babe.
I'm bad at measuring.
Daddy,
Yeah, bud.
Not yet, bud. Not yet. Okay, now we'll finish.
Alright, now Ella's gonna put the tablespoons of baking soda in. She's probably better than me.
Fill up the balloon.
And 3. It smells like I can't.
it smells so
It's like
good.
on the top of my tongue.
When we made eggs
When
for
you-
Easter.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
There's acids in the.
It feels like
Okay, ready?
Daddy,
Now,
can you put
I'll hold this.
it
I'll
on?
hold this. All right, I'll hold this. Now I'm going to put this one on here. And then what you're going to do, guys, and then I'll help you put yours on as well.
ours is
What you want to do is try and keep all the baking soda in here. And then after we put it on here, we're going to tip it up and let the baking soda fall in. And that's going to start your neutralization
It's
reaction.
gonna. I've never
So
watched this
Andrew,
live, so it's gonna be really exciting.
All right, so this one's going to make a really tight seal because it was hard to get on there. This one, girls, is going to be a little bit more difficult, so I'm going to have, no, you don't need a rubber band, let's go. Okay, you're just going to hold it up and see if you can. So this one, if you don't hold it on, there's a good chance that it's going to shoot out and make a bit of a mess.
Should we do one at a time?
No, we'll do it.
I should do it
One at a time. One at a time.
No, keep your glasses on.
All right, the boys are gonna go first. Let's see how theirs turns out.
So you just flip it.
Flip
Ready?
it up.
Go. Whoa, that's so cool.
I can't see the balloon,
Move
Andrew.
in there, move your hand.
It's blowing up the balloon.
It's so cool.
You should be able to let go of it.
That's so cool. See how it's blowing up?
Neutralizing.
It might. Will it pop?
We'll see.
I'm excited. I think
It does. It's going to get all over.
It'll just fill up the bowl.
I do not want to get messy.
Well, eventually
I
turn
want it
into
to
water.
pop really bad, but I don't want to.
So yeah, that's what the neutralization reaction is.
It's turning it into water. Water and a salt. Not just
If it pops,
Table
it's gonna
salt.
be so cool.
A metal and a non-metal.
metal and a non-metal.
Everywhere.
Or a positive and a negative
Oh
ion.
my god.
Pretty cool, huh? Oh, you like that one?
Yes. Let's wait till
Was this
it
better
pops.
than the volcano or no?
Yes.
So again, if you wanted to put little dish soap in here, food coloring, you could make it into a volcano, but that's a lot of cleanup. So you would want to make sure you have something underneath it. All right, you guys ready to do the?
Yes.
This one's still fizzling, but
Well, wait.
we'll
Yeah,
kind
just
of
leave
just
it
set
over
this
here.
Sure.
All right.
Ready?
Let's go.
Lift it up and shake all that stuff down in.
Get out quick, quick, quick.
It's coming at me and off of my hands.
Daddy, what if it?
If it pops,
Get in
Yeah,
there,
what's
Andrew.
wrong? I'm holding it. It's on my hand. Oh, I'm getting it off my hand.
it's just vinegar.
The little fingers. The little fingers.
Augie,
Oh, it smells so
What, that,
strong.
Mom?
Come on over here, bud. Get on up here.
I was trying. I just don't want to get
Look
messy.
over
this
here,
is on a
guys.
super
Look over here, guys.
airtight seal.
It got all over.
Kate.
It got
High five.
all over. High five, buddy. So we used a glove because we're stuck at home.
High five.
And we had a glove and a balloon.
We're stuck at home. Why?
Because
The quarantine.
What's
That's
that?
why we're doing this.
Oh, are you having fun in the quarantine?
No.
Wow.
Not at all. Until Mommy told us about
this is fun.
thing.
All right. Everybody good?
Yeah.
So now you don't want to drink that, but that should be neutral at this point. So it should be not
7
acidic or
on the
basic.
pH
Where an
scale.
acid or a base can
What,
burn your
Andrew?
skin.
It's a 7 on the pH scale.
Just neutral.
Neutral.
See you
Bye.
later.
Bye. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. All right, bye.